Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a beauty break with Bentley video, and we are going to be reviewing all of these CC creams and BB creams and tinted moisturizers that I've been trying lately because I'm just overwhelmed with them. So I did a little more testing on them, and I wanted to give you my latest opinion after trying them, because all those hot flash ones are usually always first impressions. So I wanted to give you a little update on them. So, and I've taken a bunch of notes, so I'm gonna have to wear glasses. Hopefully they're clean enough I can see through this video. So I'm gonna start with, I'm just gonna show you which ones we're gonna be reviewing, and I'm gonna show you in the order that I tested them. We're gonna be reviewing, I'm just going to tell you as we go which ones. This is the L'Oreal Skin Paradise. And we tested this one out a while ago, and I remember that I liked it because I still have it. I would have taken it back if I didn't like it. So I tested it out again, and this time, this test that I did is strictly no moisturizer, because these are supposed to be moisturizers. These are CC creams and BB creams and tinted moisturizers. So they're supposed to be moisturizers. So I didn't put any moisturizer on my face for the test. And all of them, I put them on with my fingers. Because I actually would just put half of it from here over on. And then I'd use another one on this side to do the test. And so this one, this is what my notes say for this one. It says it's light coverage, smooth, and not sticky. So that's good, because some of them were sticky after I had them on, for a little while. Because that's what I do. I'd put them on, and then I'd let them sit for not too long, maybe 15 minutes. And then I'd come back and I'd look at them real good and make some notes. And then I'd take them off and do two more. So anyways, that's what I have on this one. Is that I don't remember. I didn't go back and watch my video, so I don't remember what my first impression was on these. I pretty much know that I liked all of these because, like I said, I would have taken them back if I didn't like them. So the next one I tried was the Sugar Rush from Tarte, the Skin Treat. I remember this one, and plus I just did it again. This one goes on like mousse. It feels so soft and so smooth. I like this one. It goes on super smooth, but it is light coverage. Most of these all are really light coverage, which is not my favorite, just so you know. Not my favorite. I like some coverage, but I was thinking this was like if you're going to the lake thing. But none of them are waterproof. I was also going to tell you, I had a little more information on this Skin Paradise. We'll back up a little. On the Skin Paradise, I have that it is, you get 1 full ounce, and it comes in 12 shades. It retails for $16.99 and has an SPF of only 19. That might have been another thing that was a negative on this one. And then the Sugar Rush, my notes say that it's a super smooth, non-sticky, light coverage. That's what I wrote down for this one. And it says poreless tinted moisturizer. I don't think it's poreless. I don't remember noticing porelessness on any of these. So also on this one it retails for $32. This is on Ulta's site. It has an SPF of 20, and it comes in 9 shades, because those things all make a difference, and you get 1 ounce. So the next one is the e.l.f. BB cream. It's not the camo one. It's the older one, the e.l.f. one, because this one, I think I gave away the camo one. So I didn't have it to try again, or I would have put it in here. But I had this one still, so I tried it. And let me tell you what it's about it first. It's 0.96 ounce, so it's almost an ounce. but just a little bit less. It comes in only 6 shades, but it's only $6, and it has an SPF of 20. So that's, you know, pretty good. And then my notes, I put that it has super coverage. It is a little sticky and a little shiny. But see, I didn't powder any of these, and that's something that I would do if I was wearing them. No matter where I was wearing them, I would powder them. So that is that one. The next one I tried was this one, the IT Cosmetics, and this is the matte one because I don't seem to have the other one. I've never tried the luminous one or whatever it's supposed to be because I don't like that. So I had the regular one too before, and I didn't seem to have it now. I couldn't find it, so I just used this one. And let me see what I wrote down. I put it's got the best coverage of all these ones that I've tried, but it is sticky and it gathers in the wrinkles. Now this is without adding powder to it. So I'm sure I tried this a million years ago and put powder on it, and I don't remember what my thoughts were on it, but I have to tell you, I have it in my head that I'm not a fan of the IT CC cream. That it's always been like accentuating to my wrinkles, and that's like a no for me. It's like, I know they're there. I don't need anybody else to know they're there. So it has an SPF. Oh, let me read what I got on it. Your Skin But Better Matte, 12 shades. It's on sale on the IT Cosmetics site for $23.70. It's regular $39.50, so it's 40% off. So that's a good thing. It's got an SPF of 40, and you get 1.8 ounces. So that's quite a bit. You get a lot here. So if you are a fan, just know at least the matte one's 40% off. That's the only one I looked at because I was just getting the information. But it is 40% off right now. Okay, what's next? Nars. This is the Nars Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer Broad Spectrum 30. So my notes for when I did the test yesterday was light coverage, goes on really smooth. It does not gather in my wrinkles, but it is a little sticky. But I know that that is when you're wearing it with nothing underneath it and nothing on top of it. That's just this by itself. Like if you were running out somewhere and you just put this on, it's a little bit sticky. It doesn't dry down, but I always put powder on it, so it would be fine. I like it. I know I like it. You get 1.9 ounces, so you get almost 2 ounces of this one. 16 shades. It is the most expensive one on my list. It is $45, and it has an SPF of 30, which I already told you. So I do like this one a lot, though. But it doesn't have super coverage. It's got light coverage. Wet n Wild. That's our next one. The Wet n Wild Barefocus Tinted Hydrator. This one, I wrote down slightly gathered. It did gather in the lines a little, but that's, like I said, without powdering it. It was a little bit sticky, but it went on really smooth. And it does have super light coverage. However, it comes in 12 shades, and it's only $4.98. But it has no SPF in it. At least I couldn't find any. And it's 0.91 ounces. So you get a little less, but like I said, it's $4.98. Can't beat the price. And I'm pretty sure when I got it, they didn't have 12 shades at Walmart, but they do on the Wet n Wild site, so I could be wrong because I do forget a lot. And the last one that we have is the Dermablend CC Cream. Continuous Correction. The SPF is 50 plus. My notes on this were MC, most coverage. This one has the most coverage. I thought I said that the other one did. Well, I put it twice. So this one has good coverage. And this one is not sticky when you put it on. But it goes on super smooth, but it's a little bit dry. I noticed that it's a little dry when you put it on. It doesn't seem like it's got moisturizer in it, even though it says that it, maybe it doesn't. Full coverage CC cream sunscreen. So maybe it doesn't have moisturizer. Well, anyways, let's see. You get 1 full ounce. It comes in 16 shades. It retails for $39. And like I said, it has an SPF of 50 plus. So this one is a good one. This one actually is my favorite one. I have it on today, but this time, because I felt like it was a little dry, I put on a bunch of my CeraVe first. I didn't do that when I tested it, when I wrote all these notes, but I put on the CeraVe underneath, and then I put on this, and I felt like it did stay sticky when I put the two on. However, I powdered it and finished my makeup, and it's great. I love it. It doesn't gather. It doesn't move. It's not sticky. It completely sunk in. It's awesome. Anyways, now I'm going to tell you which order I put them in and my last notes on each one. So this is the order that I gave them. The Dermablend gets the top spot for me. But I've only had it for like a week too. But then I can never remember anything anyways. I have to try them again. So the Dermablend is the first one, and I put it because it's got such great coverage. That's what I really like. And that's just me. If you're looking for a light one, then it won't be your number one, because it's not light. It's heavy coverage. But it feels great. And it covers everything. So this is my number one pick. My number two pick was the Sugar Rush, because it's just so awesome when you put it on. It's so smooth, and it's just wonderful. I put light and super, super comfy. Light is the coverage, but it's so comfortable that I just love it. And it's got an SPF of 20, which, it could be better. But I've got a brand new, what is that called? Sunscreen that I put underneath now, so I'm good. My number 3 pick is the Nars, which, it ended up being the top 3 are all higher end ones, but I didn't do that on purpose, trust me. But this one I put smooth, and a little bit of shine comes through, just a little bit. See, this one's got a little bit of shine coming through too. And I like that. I don't want it to be looking oily or anything, and I don't want shine everywhere. I just want a little bit coming through, because I never put anything like highlight or anything on my forehead. So if I see a little bit of shine up here, I know it's coming through. So that's why I gave that one number 3 spot. Number 4 is the e.l.f. because of the coverage. It's just so good. And I don't think it gathers when you powder it. I think it stays put, because I can't believe that I put it in number 4 spot, and yet it gathers. So that may be my mistake, but it's worth a shot for $6, right? And this is an SPF of 20 also. So my number 5 spot goes to the L'Oreal Paradise, and it's a little thin, but very comfortable. Not as comfortable as the Sugar Rush, but a lot cheaper. This one is $16.99, but it's only got an SPF of, it's got an SPF of 19, and the Sugar Rush is 20. So if you're looking for something more affordable, this would be like comparable to the Sugar Rush, but the Sugar Rush just feels so much better. And that's just me, The next one is the Wet n Wild, and it doesn't have hardly any coverage, and it has no SPF. But I remember that I really was impressed with this when I bought it. And the price is right, but you have to put your SPF underneath. And I haven't tried it since I got that, so I'm not sure how that... But it went really good under whatever I put it under, because I remember it didn't... It was good, the sunscreen. And my last choice is the IT Cosmetics, because it almost always sinks into my lines, and I don't like that. So, that's it. That's it for this video. We're just doing that. So, I'm running out of ideas for these videos, so if you have any, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to do whatever you want to see. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.